Understanding Read Aloud, enhancing your English skills. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel where we explore the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're diving into a very common but essential phrase, read aloud. Understanding this phrase will not only help you in your language learning journey but also enhance your speaking and reading skills. So, let's get started. Read aloud is a phrase that combines two simple words, read and aloud. To read means to look at and comprehend the meaning of written or printed matter. The word aloud means to use your voice to make sounds that others can hear. Therefore, when put together, read aloud means to read something using your voice so that you or others can hear the words being spoken. It's different from reading silently, where you read in your mind without making any audible sound. Reading aloud has several benefits in language learning. 1. Improves pronunciation. It helps you practice how words sound and improves your pronunciation. 2. Enhances comprehension. When you read aloud, you're more likely to pay attention to the meaning of words and sentences. 3. Boosts confidence. Regularly reading aloud can increase your confidence in speaking the language. 4. Better retention. Speaking and hearing the words can help you remember them better. To make the most out of reading aloud, consider these tips. Choose the right material. Start with texts that match your language level. Practice regularly. Like any skill, regular practice improves your reading aloud abilities. Listen to yourself, record your reading sessions and listen to them to identify areas for improvement. Play with expression. Try changing your tone, speed, and volume to make the reading more engaging. We hope this video helps you understand the concept of read aloud and its importance in learning English. Remember, reading aloud is a powerful tool in your language learning arsenal. So, grab a book, find a comfortable spot, and start practicing. Happy reading and speaking, everyone! If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more language learning tips. See you in the next video.